So let's go ahead and run through the code again real fast. At the top of the code, top of the file, or top of the method rather, I have specified all of my variables I will be using for the rest of the program. I then enter a while loop. This while loop will continue to execute until the user has successfully typed in a decimal value. The reason it'll continue to execute until we have entered valid money is that this Boolean has entered money is being checked every time the while loop tries to execute. This expression right here again uses the Unary Not Operator, and the Unary Not Operator means that whatever Boolean it's attached to will be flipped. It is the exact same code as doing this. So if I said while it has entered money equals false, that's the same thing that doing that exclamation point will do. It's just a shorthand operator for flipping a Boolean. And you'll see me use it a lot. It's a very important operator. Next up, we have a console write that just says enter how much money you have, and then we say has entered money equals decimal try parse console read line out money. We've gone through this code quite a bit already because it does look a little bit scary with its out modifier right here. But again, the whole point of this line is to A, accept input from the user, try to parse it, return whether or not it was successful in parsing it, and if it was successful in parsing it, store the result in the money variable.